Nobody tells you when the person you raised leaves your home for real this time. You don't just lose their noise and their presence. You lose the version of yourself that existed to hold their world together. I became a single parent at 54. I didn't plan for that chapter. Support was fragmented. People showed up at different stages. Very few were consistent for the duration. That fragmentation left real gaps. And I gave that chapter everything I had. She just graduated high school, is moving into her own life, and I'm standing in a room that was hers, making it mine. This is what that looks like.
The loft bed came out first. It was enormous, built for a child becoming a teenager, becoming a young woman under this roof. Taking it apart felt like closing a chapter I wasn't sure I was ready to close. The teen to adult transition, it's not a light switch. I want to be honest with you about that. There was grief in that room, not because something went wrong, because something went very right, and right means over. She is ready. I raised her to leave, and I had to feel both things at once. Then I climbed the ladder, and I started taking down the inspirational quotes, hers. Things that meant something to her in her season, her goals, her dreams, her vision of what the walls should say. And as I took each one down, I thought about how long I had been living inside someone else's chapter, not just in this room. In this whole season of my life, I had put myself on hold. I had put my second season on hold because someone needed me more than I needed my own beginning. If that is your story too, I see you. And I need you to hear me when I tell you your chapter is not canceled. It is just starting. We patched the holes, every nail, every anchor, every mark where her chapter had been attached to these walls. And then we painted, fresh, clean, not over the old story, through it. Environmental change is not cosmetic. This Mental Health Awareness Month, I want to say this plainly. Your environment is in constant conversation with your nervous system. The room you live inside tells you who you are every single day. Changing it is not decorating, it is declaring.
If this is landing for you, hit like and subscribe. I'm building this second season out loud so you can see what it actually looks like.
The Murphy bed went in next. I chose a Murphy bed deliberately because this room needed to be able to serve multiple purposes now. A guest, a creative space, a writing space, a room that serves my second season, not one single chapter of it. Watching it get built was one of the most satisfying things I have done in years. Not because it's beautiful, though it is, because I chose it. I designed it for what comes next. That's what pro-aging self-care actually looks like at the room level. Watch this. It opens, it closes. A whole room becomes something else in 10 seconds. I stood in here after and cried. Not sad tears, the kind that come when something has been tight for a long time and finally releases. I carried that chapter longer than I admitted to anyone. And this room is physical proof that I put it down.
The bookcase is the last big piece. It's been wall mounted, permanent, mine. Books I choose, space I designed. A room that says she has a second season and is not apologizing for it, honey. If you are in transition right now, a chapter ending, a room that belongs to a version of yourself or someone else that no longer fits, I want you to know this. The reclamation is the work. The renovation is the healing. Your second season is not waiting for you to be ready. It started the moment you decide it had. Drop mine in the comments if there is a room, a chapter, or a version of yourself you are ready to reclaim. The second season circle is where women who are doing the work find each other. Not a course, not a lecture. a community of women who are reclaiming themselves out loud together. If this is where you are, book a connection call. Link is in the description. This is your second season. Don't let it pass you by. Age is just a number, not a limitation. Be amazing.